Ate Cadet Montelibano.
I Cadet Umunoy.
Ate Cadet Bautista.
Ate Cadet Cabrera.
I Cadet Lumbar.
We're cadets from UCMTC, presenting our capstone performance task for Indic World, Mathematics in the Modern World. In this video, we'll showcase various mathematical concepts through practical examples. Let's dive in. Mathematics is essential for maritime navigation. For example, we use the formula distance equals speed times time to calculate how far ship travels. If a ship sails at 10 knots for 2 hours, it covered 20 nautical miles. This calculation helps us stay on course and avoid hazard. Math also plays a role in planning fuel-efficient routes, ensuring we follow safety standards. As cadets, we rely on these skills daily to make informed decisions. Math is the foundation of every successful voyage.
Geometry ensures every part of the ship functions efficiently. As cadet, we see how the design rely on math to create safe and reliable vessel.
So now, we talk about linear programming. Linear programming scale maritime logistics. It helps us limited resources like fuel and time. For example, we use it to calculate the most efficient route from Cebu to Manila, considering factors like speed and weather. This ensures cost-effective voyage and timely deliveries. Remember, as cadets, we learn to apply these mathematical tools to solve real-world challenges. So linear programming keeps our operations efficient and competitive.
Logic is a vital maritime emergency. For example, during a fire drill, we follow logical steps, assess the situation, prioritize evacuation, and deploy extinguisher. This structured approach, based on safety protocols, helps prevent error under pressures, whether handling engine malfunction or responding to collision. Logic ensures we make the right decision quickly. As cadets, we train to apply this math based on reasoning in real-time situation. Logic keeps our crew and ship safe in any crisis.
Throughout this presentation, we'll explore various mathematical concepts and their real application in the maritime field. One crucial aspect is the mathematical system. These structured frameworks, including standard units and precise formulas, are the backbone of the operation. For instance, we use mathematical concepts to convert coordinates accurately, ensuring our navigation is spot on. Algorithms based on the system power our autopilot functions, guiding ships safely across the seas. As UCMTC cadets, we're trained to apply these systems with precision, preparing us for the challenges of maritime careers. Mathematical systems show how math drives our field. System to convert coordinates.